Alright, this is part 3.
Here you go. Nice shot, Georgie. Nice shot. Got it. Shot. Good shot.
Oh, wow. I
High
hurt
five.
my thumb.
Oh, wow. Here's a strike.
Oh, got a ball. Oh, close. Use the, wow, I can't believe when your fingers go big, you use 12 pound. Oh, no spare. You hit the lane, wow. Let's do with the lighter ball.
Try the heavier ball, Georgie.
See if I do good in the last frame.
I'm gonna get a strike here.
No strike for you. Oh.
That's a good spare.
I'm gonna try to loft the red ball and try it and see if it goes straight. See if it goes straight to the head pin. Oh, how am I gonna do good in the last frame? Sorry about that, guys. Hit the back, hit the pin.
I don't believe it.
Alright. Ready? Alright, let's give it ball.
Good shot. Almost a messenger. Get a spare here.
I can use any ball to get that spare.
Be very careful. Get a spare now. And you go again. You got it. Oh! Close.
Oh, split! Can I do that for you?
Okay, you do it.
Alright, let's do a split.
Take your time.
Wow, I think I damaged the bumper.
Uh-oh.
Hush.
New game.
Alright, that's it for part 3 of game 1.